Hey, this is Demi. I'm very excited that you are at the end of this video series already, and I'm very excited that you really took this step to actually finish the entire thing. And congratulations for you, because I know that at this moment you already are more inspired to take action and you are now more willing to do more things so that you can start your freelancing career. And I am very excited about that, and more so because I want to not only just give you the video training, I am here to let you know that I actually have a course which is called Create and Rise Academy. So in Create and Rise Academy, you are not only going to get like the skills training, but you are also going to get how to exactly market yourself so you can find more clients without Upwork, Freelancer, or whatever type of freelancing sites out there. And of course, this is something that is very special to me because not only this is my very first online course, this is also years of my experience, years of my work that I am sharing to you, and I'm very excited how this specific course is going to shortcut your journey to success, basically. And I remember back in the day when I was still starting out as a freelancer, I did not have any mentor. I only have one guy who was telling me that this is what you're supposed to do. Like, he was like my marketing guy, but there was no one out there for me who was telling me like, this is what you are supposed to do as a freelancer. This is how you're going to close client deals. This is how you should talk to your clients when you have problems with emails and stuff like that. So no one was out there for me. And I feel like right now that I am a self-made person earning 6 figures every month in freelancing, I feel like this is somehow my obligation to lend to the community that, yes, I was able to make my way to this specific success that I can say is already a success for me. And it's kind of like my way of lending back to the freelancer community and actually letting God know that I am very much thankful of what I have at this very moment. And so so I'm just becoming very genuine here and letting you know exactly how I'm feeling and how exactly it is for me to launch this course. So this is not basically just to make money out from it. Basically, this is really helping you grow. So some people are probably asking, like, if you really wanted to help Demi, why are you asking for an amount of money exchange for your course? Because of course I have to pay for the software programs that I'm going to use. I also have to compensate myself a little bit for the time that I have spent here, the effort, and at least the years of experience that I'm going to share to you. So I also have bills to pay, but I already have my client work already. So if we're just talking about bills to pay, then my client work can cover that. But basically this one, it's not about me making money. It's about how can I give back to the community? Like, how can I help other people? Because back in the day when I was starting out, there was no one who was there to help me. Like, I mean, there probably were willing people, but I was not able to really see people who were reaching out to me like, hey, are you a freelancer? Do you need help? Etc. and stuff like that. So that is why I came out of the limelight, and I feel like this is what I'm called to do. Like, teaching is something that I'm very passionate about. And so I feel like I just needed to share a little bit of my sentiments about this course for you. So what Create and Rise actually does is it is a full-blown course already. Like, it's just recently that I decided to add in the skill set course in there, and it was supposed to just be the marketing course, but due to a lot of requests, they wanted to have, a lot of you guys wanted to have the skills in there, specifically like the ClickFunnels, Kajabi, lead pages, social media management, basics of graphic design, like these things that I have been doing. So I said, okay, let's make it a full-blown one, because I don't think I would have the enough time as well to recreate a new course just for the skills. So I put it all together in one, and aside from that, you are going to get lifetime access to this one. So if you are a founding member, you will be locked into the smallest price it's going to ever be, which is $37. That is $1,900 something. So for a less than 2,000 pesos one-time fee. You only have to pay once, you don't need to pay a lot, and you're already going to have lifetime access to it. So whatever content that I'm going to add in this specific academy in the future, whatever that may be, if it's going to be an additional skills training, if it's going to be more on the marketing side, you are not going to repay me for that. You're just going to pay me once, and that is 1,900 something. Again, it's $37. And yeah, you will be locked in that price if you are a founding member. So this is going to be my very first launch, and I'm planning to relaunch it again somewhere next year, or in the next 2 months. I feel like, yeah, in the next 2 months I'm going to relaunch it again, and it's not going to be $37 anymore. It's going to raise my price. The price of the course is going to raise every time I launch it, because of course I'm adding new things to it and I'm making it better every single launch. So yeah, that is why if you are a founding member, if you have signed up for the wait list, then that means you have the chance to become a founding member and be locked in at the lowest price it's ever going to be. All right, so my plan is to make sure that I will not sell the course for any of it less than 5K. So it's going to be 5,000 pesos in the near future. But because you are a founding member and you're going to what do you call this? You're going to purchase the course at the very first launch, then you're going to be locked into its lowest price, which is 1,900 something. All right. So yeah, that is it for me. I hope you find this course very helpful if you're ever going to buy it, and I'm going to be here with you every step of the way. You can guarantee that I will always be here for you, and especially if you are buying the course, my focus is going to be really with the students that are going to take the course. So I'm very excited, and I hope you are too, and I hope you are willing to become super uncomfortable just to reach your fullest potential. And one way of becoming uncomfortable is actually paying, or not. I do not consider this a payment, but I consider this as a really huge investment in your part. It's kind of like a no-brainer to actually pay somebody 2,000 pesos to earn 150,000 pesos every month. So it's like a very small investment in your part. It's going to take a while. It's going to take time, of course, to apply all these things that I'm going to share in the Create and Rise Academy. But of course, it's going to be worth it, and I can guarantee you that. Right? So I'll see you there. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.